Hello friends, you might have enjoyed my last video describing the product of 2, 3 or more linear polynomials. In this video, I had asked you 4 questions to solve. Now I am giving the solution of these 4 questions in this video. The first question was, find the value of n so that following polynomials is independent of x cubed. Here, there are four linear polynomials, 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, its product will be like x, first term will be x to the power 4 plus sum of all constant x cubed plus sum of the products of two constant at a time, that is 2 into minus 4 such that x square and so on. Therefore, in the question, we have asked that term should be independent of x cubed. Therefore, this term should not be in the product. It is possible only when sum of constant should be 0. Therefore, 2 plus minus 4 plus n plus minus 5 should be 0. Therefore, 2 minus 4 plus n minus 5 should be 0. That is minus 7 plus n is equal to 0. Therefore, n is equal to 7. If n is 7, then there will be no term containing x cube. Now we come to the question second. Second question was, find the coefficient of x to the power 49 in the following polynomials. First we see what are the constants here. Here the constants are 1, 4, 7, 10 and 13, and last term is 148. If you see seriously the constant, then these constants are in arithmetic progression. Now let 148 is the nth term. Therefore, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d. In this series, common difference d is equal to 3. Therefore, Tn 148 is equal to A is 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. That is 148. 148 is equal to 1 plus 3n minus 3. That is 148 is equal to 3n minus 2. Implies that 150 is equal to 3n. Implies that n is equal to 3. N is equal to 50. Therefore, this polynomial has 50 linear polynomials. Therefore, their product will be like, first term will be x50, second term will be sum of constants, into x to the power 49 and so on. Therefore, coefficient of x to the power 49 is x to the power 49 is equal to sum of constant, that is 1 plus 4 plus 7, last term 148, with its total term 50. And this is equal to 1 by 2 n A plus first term plus last term. Here 1 by 2, n is 50. First term is 1, last term is 148. That is equal to 25 multiplied by 149. Therefore, it is 3725. Therefore, coefficient of x to the power 49 in this product is 3725. Now we come to third question. Find the coefficient of x to the power 49 in the following polynomials. Again, here the coefficient of x49 will be x49 is equal to sum of all constants. That is 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11, 50 terms. If we see this is neither in arithmetic progression, neither in geometric progression, neither in harmonic progression. But if you see it seriously, you will find that 11 minus 7 is 4. 7 minus 4 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, difference of two consecutive terms are in arithmetic progression. Such types of problems are solved as I am describing here. Let there are sum of n terms of such series is Sn. Therefore, Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 11. Last term is let nth term, that is Tn. Again write Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7. Here nth term plus Tn. Now take the difference of these two series. Is 0 is equal to 1. We are writing this difference in brackets. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Now such terms are n minus 1 in numbers minus Tn. Therefore, Tn is equal to 1 plus in bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus n minus 1 terms. This series is again in arithmetic progression. Therefore, it will be 1 plus 1 by 2. Number of terms are n minus 1. Therefore, we are writing here is n minus 1. First term is 1. Last term will be n minus 1. Therefore, it is 1 plus 1 by 2, n minus 1 into n. We are taking LCM here. 2 is the LCM. Therefore, it is 2 plus n square minus n. That is 1 by 2, n square minus n plus 2. Therefore, sum of n terms will be sigma Tn is equal to 1 by 2 sigma n square minus sigma n plus 2 sigma 1. That is 1 by 2. Sigma n square is 1 n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6. Minus sigma n is 1 upon 2 n n plus 1 plus 2, 2n. Sigma 1 is n, therefore 2 sigma 1 is 2n. Now take n common. Therefore it will be 1 by 2n, n plus 1, 2n plus 1 upon 6 minus n plus 1 upon 2 plus 2. Now take LCM. 6 is the LCM, therefore Sn is equal to 1 by 2n, 6 LCM, then it will be n square plus 3n plus 1. It will be 2n square plus 3n plus 1. It will be 2n square plus 3n plus 1 minus 3n minus 3 plus 12. That is 1 by 2n. This 3n and 3n will be cancelled out. It will be 2n square, 12, 13 minus 3, that is 10 upon 6. Therefore, it will be, take 2 common, then it will be n square plus 5 upon 6. Now, since in the series there were 50 terms, therefore n is equal to 50. Therefore, Sn is equal to 50 into 50 square plus 5 upon 6. Is equal to 25 into 2505 upon 3 is equal to 20,875. It will be the coefficient of x to the power 49. Now I come to the fourth question. Fourth question was find the coefficient of x in the following polynomials. There are 4 terms, therefore its expansion will be x to the power 4, first term, then sum of constant into x cubed plus sum of 2 terms, product of 2 terms at a time, that is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 4 and so on x square. Next term will be sum of the product of 3 constant at a time, that is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 into 4 into x plus product of all the constant, that is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. Therefore, coefficient of x is 1 into 2 into 3 plus 1 into 2 into 4 plus 1 into 3 into 4 plus 2 into 3 into 4, that is 6 plus 8 plus 12 plus 24. 24 plus 6, 30, 12 plus 8, 20, sum is 50. Therefore, coefficient of x in the product of these linear polynomials is 50. If you like this video, I request you to subscribe my channel in YouTube and follow me in Instagram in Arbat Math Tutorial. Thank you.